everyone, let's begin with our book in this video, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 4 by Sirfikera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, and this chapter is related to pollution. Nowadays we are facing so many pollutions. For example, noise pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, water pollution, etc. And we really need to do something for this. Just to bring it as an awareness, we have introduced a chapter, that is pollution is dangerous. Now in this chapter, you have to look at the following pictures carefully and then recognize its types of pollution. You may use the help desk for the clues. So let's begin with the first picture. You can see there are so many cows feeding over the polluted ground or the soil. So this is which kind of pollution? This is soil pollution. So you will write here SOIL, soil, POLLUTION. Then we move on to the next picture, that is the second picture. There is a nuclear plant, I suppose, some kind of nuclear plant in the green environment, and it is giving out so much of smoke. So what is kind of pollution is this? This is known as AIR, air pollution, POLLUTION. Then we have the third image. There is some kind of water body in the picture और इसको पूरी तरह से गंदा किया गया है. It has been dumped with so many waste things, and hence what kind of pollution is this? This is called as the water pollution. So we will write here WATERPOLLUTION. Then the last image, that is the fourth image, is of a busy market with vehicles and vendors all shouting around. And what kind of pollution is this? This is the noise pollution. So we will write here NOISE, noise pollution, POLLUTION. So this was all about the A question. Let's now move to the B question. So the B question is that test your pollution awareness level by answering the following questions. The first question says, above what decibel level is sound considered harmful for humans? Now first, before doing this question, let me tell you what is decibel. It is already given here in the quick fact that decibel is a unit for measuring the loudness of sound. जिस तरह से हम अलग अलग चीज़ों को like weight को measure करने के लिए we use grams, kilograms. For measuring the distance we use units such as meters, kilometers, centimeters, etc. We use the unit decibel for measuring the loudness of sound. What is the symbol for decibel? The symbol is dB, or you can also write the complete word. So the question was कि कौन से लेवल पे हमें कंसिडर किया जाता है कि ये जो साउंड है वो कि हार्मफुल है ह्यूमंस के लिए, एंड द आंसर इज अबव 85 decibels, or you can write 85 dB. Then we have the next question. When was Swachh Bharat Abhiyan launched? And it was launched in the year 2014 on 2nd of October. So your answer is 2nd October 2014. Next we have the third question. It says, name any two major sources of air pollution. There are two main sources of air pollution, that are the mobile sources and the stationary sources. Now here the mobile sources doesn't mean the mobile which you are using. We are talking about the transportation devices like cars, airplanes, etc. and stationary sources means power plants, factories, etc. Next is name two soil pollutants. You have to name any two soil pollutants, and the first is pesticides and the second one is industrial waste. Then we have the fifth question, which is saying what is the most significant cause of water pollution? सबसे ज़्यादा most significant क्या वजह है water pollution की? And the answer is untreated sewage, or you can also write just sewage, and the second one is industrial discharge again. It is also related or told as the soil pollutant, and secondly it is also another cause of water pollution. Industrial discharge or waste is also another significant cause of water pollution. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you have understood some of the important things about pollution. Thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.